Hi, this is the Janitorial Spot channel, the place where cleaning business industry comes to learn how to start or run a successful cleaning business. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. Also, make sure you visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com or give us a call at 1-800-601-2730 extension 106. Now let's get started. Today we're going to talk about, on our Motivational Monday video, ways to improve the reduction of your turnover for your cleaning employees. That is one of the areas in the cleaning business industry that cost us a lot of time and money. Your employees are your investments. So let's talk about 3 ways that we may be able to help when it comes to reducing the turnover. 1, make sure you do a thorough interview when you're, and I was going to say investigation, which you're going to get to that a little later. But make sure you do a thorough interview with potential prospects for employees. Ask them probing questions, personal, not basically about how they clean, but why do they want to clean? What makes them think they're really great cleaners? Why did they lose their last company? Why did they leave their last cleaning company? And what was it about cleaning that makes them happy? These 3, 4, 5 questions can save you a lot of money and time, energy, and effort, because them answering those questions mostly are going to let you know into what they think and how they feel about cleaning in general, which is really important when you are the owner of a cleaning business. Number 2, really invest in training. Training is so important when it comes to the janitorial companies. You want to make sure that you invest in training and that your employees feel like you're really investing in them. And number 3, give them some kind of incentive other than pay, whether it be bonuses or employee of the month or the quarter. This really makes them feel like they are part of the team. Hopefully these 3 will really help you maintain and reduce and keep really great employees and reduce the turnover for one of the biggest areas in the cleaning industries, which is employee turnovers. Have a fantastic day.